Fewer Americans are planning to celebrate July 4th and travel this summer than before the pandemic, even as a majority of people now say COVID-19 isn't disrupting their lives. New polling finds, suggesting most Americans are still not getting back to normal. 0.29%. That's the percentage of Gallup respondents who said they believe the COVID-19 pandemic is over in the U.S., while most demographics are still far more likely to believe the pandemic is still ongoing, including among every age group and in every region of the U.S. A majority of Republicans, 57%, say they believe it's now over. Public health officials have urged Americans to remain cautious and get vaccinated as the more transmissible Delta variant continues to spread in the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky has predicted the highly infectious strain will eventually become dominant in the U.S., and former Food and Drug Administration head Scott Gottlieb warned Sunday the variant could cause dense outbreaks in areas of the U.S. with low vaccination rates and lower rates of immunity from prior COVID-19 surges. While COVID-19 vaccines are protective against the Delta variant, studies show 2 doses of the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine as approximately 90% effective. World Health Organization officials warned Friday that even fully vaccinated people should be taking precautions like wearing masks as the variant spreads worldwide. Yes, you can reduce some measures, but there's still the need for caution, WHO Senior Advisor Dr. Bruce Aylward said Friday, saying the fully vaccinated should play it safe, since there is a risk they could still end up as part of a transmission chain. The Monmouth and Gallup polls are in line with other recent polling showing Americans are still remaining cautious, with a previous Monmouth poll showing 40% of Americans haven't changed their mask-wearing habits despite new CDC guidance, and Morning Consult polling showing Americans' comfort with activities like dining out and going to entertainment activities like museums or the movies ticking up, but still remaining far below 100%. Restrictions in most states have dropped as the national vaccination rate has gone up, including mask mandates in nearly all states. Many areas of the country still have relatively low vaccination rates. However, there are still 5 states where not even 40% of the population has received at least a first dose, according to the CDC, and the U.S. is not on track to meet President Joe Biden's goal of 70% of adults being vaccinated by July 4th. Americans' hesitance to travel this summer comes even as airports across the country have reported heavy crowds at the start of the summer travel season, and AAA Project's travel volume over the July 4th weekend will end up being the second highest on record for the holiday after 2019. While AAA predicts more than 47